everyone, today we'll learn how to select a table, place an order, and submit it in the POS system. Step 1. Select a table. From the POS home screen, tap Table, Ordering to open the table management page. Here you can view all table statuses, available, ordered, or opened. Select an available table and tap to enter. A pop-up window will appear, where you can set the number of guests and other table settings. After confirming, tap Open Table and Start Order. Step 2. Select dishes. After opening the table, the system will enter the ordering page. The left side shows the selected dish list, and the right side displays the menu. You can switch between different categories at the top of the menu. Tap any dish to add it to the pending order list. Use the plus or minus buttons to adjust the quantity. Step 3. Confirm and submit order. Once ordering is complete, tap Submit Order to confirm. The system will automatically print the customer receipt. If kitchen printing is enabled, the printer will generate a kitchen ticket. If the kitchen is equipped with KDS, the screen will display the dishes in real time for chefs to start preparing. Step 4. Continue ordering. You can return to the table screen anytime to take new orders for other guests. If you need to add more dishes, simply re-enter the same table and continue ordering. The entire process is simple and efficient, making table ordering quick and easy. Now you've learned how to select a table and place an order in the POS system.